And the other day I did a real nice mocha frappe with coffee. And I had a couple of my friends on there tell me, oh, that, you know, it looks wonderful, but they don't drink coffee. So I told them I would do another video, and we're going to do one for, who are you?
Mercedes.
We're going to do one, and she's going to show you how we do it. And there's no coffee in it. We're going to use chocolate milk. So what you are going to need, friends, this is going to be a double double chocolate mocha frappe. So we've got 1 cup
of chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk. And we're going to pour that in our blender. Okay? Let's set that aside. And then we got 1 cup of
white milk.
White milk. We'll pour that in there. And then we have got a 1/4 cup of
chocolate.
Yep, dark chocolate we're using. We're loving this. Okay. And then
we have chocolate chips.
And that's for what? That's a little extra love, isn't it? That's where you get the double. You put those in there. Now you don't need any other sugar with this, friends, because this is going to be sweet enough. And if you want, you can always put a teaspoon of vanilla in it. But also we've got 6
cubes
pieces.
Of ice.
Yep, 6 big cubes of ice. That's going to go in. All right, so what we're going to do now is, don't turn it on yet. Oh boy, we'd have a mess. Okay, we're going to slide this over this way. Okay, now you can turn it on. Oh, you hear that? It still needs more. All right. Now, we're going to get our favorite cup out. Okay. And this is what we're going to do, Tootsie Belle. We're going to undo this, and we're going to pour some right in here.
And that looks like a smoothie.
Those are yummy. Okay, now we got to get a Cool Whip and a little dot of chocolate.
I'll do the Cool Whip.
Okay, so.
I'm going to do the Cool Whip.
You are? Okay. Put that dollop right on there. Yep, there we go.
And now some chocolate.
Yep. And you just drizzle it on, right? There we go. We'll set this aside. Oh my. Oh, your fingers are in it. I caught it. Okay, friends, try that and tell them what you think. Is that good? That's good? That's the way you can make it, friends, and enjoy the sweetness without the caffeine. Or you can use decaf, like I do. Anyway, that's it. Tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.